Funny thing about time, you spend most of your life chasing it. Then one day you realize you were already standing in it. There was a road I thought I had to follow, lines already drawn in someone else's hand, working hard just to keep up with tomorrow, never asking if I understand. But the noise got loud and the silence got louder, till I couldn't tell which way was true. So I stepped off that road like a man walking out of water, and finally saw the view. This is the life I was meant to live, not the one they sell, not the one they give. What's in the dirt on my hands and the air I breathe, and the roots running deep underneath. It's in the slow sunrise, the honest day, and doing things the hard-earned way. Ain't chasing nothing I don't need to prove. This is the life I was meant to live. Ain't about money stacked to the ceiling, or a name that everybody knows. It's about standing still and feeling just how far a quiet life can go. It's hearing birds where the world used to shout, watching seasons turn like pages in a book. It's knowing what matters and what don't count without needing a second look. I built this life piece by piece, not perfect but real. Every tree, every path, every lesson left its mark. And somewhere along the way, I stopped trying to become someone else, and finally became the man this land was waiting for. This is the life I was meant to live, not the one they sell, not the one they give. It's in the love we share and the work we do, and the simple things that carry you through the hard times and the easy grace, through every scars this world can place. I ain't lost, I ain't on the move. This is the life I was meant to live. And maybe it don't look like much to someone passing through, but if you stand here long enough, you'll feel it too. A life don't find you by accident. You grow it, just like anything worth keeping. And when it finally takes hold, you don't have to wonder anymore. You just know you're